Your cookies went into the oven as neat scoops and spread into flat, greasy discs. Here is how to get them thick, tall, and chewy like the bakery ones, starting with your very next batch. Do not throw the dough out. Thin cookies are a dough problem, not a you problem, and you can fix the dough you have in your bowl right now. There are a few easy moves, and the one most people skip makes the biggest difference of all. Flat cookies usually mean the dough has too much moisture or butter that got too warm and soft. So grab your flour, maybe a little cornstarch, and clear a shelf in the fridge. Those three things fix almost every flat batch. Let us go through them. Fix 1. Add a little flour. If your dough looks thin and runny, work in flour 1 tablespoon at a time. Do not dump in a whole cup, that dries it out and kills the flavor. Add a tablespoon, see how it firms up, and toss in a pinch of sugar so you do not flatten the taste. Fix 2. Chill the dough. This is the move most people skip. Warm, soft butter spreads instantly in the oven. Your stand mixer actually heats the dough up from friction, so even room temperature butter can go too soft. Chill the dough about an hour before scooping in cold. Firm butter holds the shape. Fix 3. Try cornstarch. Cornstarch is the secret behind thick, soft, chewy cookies. It helps bind the dough and build structure. You can swap in cornstarch for some of the flour at a 1-to-2 ratio, so half as much cornstarch as the flour you are replacing. Add it a teaspoon at a time until the dough firms up. It will not change the flavor, so you can lean on it without anyone tasting the difference. Fix 4. Balance your ingredients. If you accidentally doubled the milk or the eggs, do not just add flour and hope. Bump up the other dry ingredients to match so the whole recipe stays in proportion. And if the dough is truly a lost cause, it is completely okay to start over and watch your measurements. No shame in it. Here is what is really going on. A cookie spreads when the butter melts and flows before the dough can set. Flour and cornstarch give the dough more structure to hold that shape. And chilling keeps the butter solid longer so the cookie has time to set up before it can run. Thick cookies are just a race between the butter melting and the dough firming, and every one of these fixes tips that race in your favor. The bakery cookies you love are almost always made from dough that was chilled first, sometimes for a full day. Cold dough and enough structure equal tall, chewy cookies. To get thick cookies every time, chill your dough as a habit. Even 15 minutes helps. Use room temperature butter that is cool, not melty. And bake on a cooled sheet, because a warm pan melts the bottoms before they ever set. For cutout cookies, roll the dough to at least 3/8 of an inch so they hold their shape. The usual mistakes. Scooping onto a hot pan straight from the last batch, using butter that is basically melted, and skipping the chill entirely to save time. That last one is why most flat cookies happen. 15 minutes in the fridge saves the whole tray. And that is how you turn flat, greasy discs into thick, chewy, bakery-style cookies. You have totally got this. Follow for more cake tips. Full recipe on the blog.